True and false are used a lot in Excel and they're very useful, but we find it a little bit difficult to differentiate. So one way is to change the colors. The other way is to put them in the way Excel sees them, where false is a 0 and true is a 1. So you'll see here we've got some sort of a function that ends up in false and true. So you could build an if function. There's a quick way to do it. It's quite easy. All we're going to do is at the beginning of our formula, put a double negative. So what we basically tell in Excel is multiply whatever you see here by negative, and then multiply it by negative again. When I click enter, you'll see it changes it to a 0, and there are 1s and 0s now. So just doing it again, in front of the logical test, double negative. When I copy it down, we find it a little bit easier to see what is true and what is false.